I think growing up in a small town has been a huge part of what I bring to insurance. In a small town, you care about everybody. You have a connection with them. You walk down the street, you wave at them, and you get to know 80% of them by name. And in insurance, you want to make sure that you look after your clients well and everything goes perfectly, because you're seeing those same people in the streets. It's not only just trust they're concerned about, it's making sure they have the right coverage. I can sell you a really cheap policy, but when your house burns down and only a third of it gets rebuilt, we're not doing any justice there. That's not good for the client. So the client wants to make sure they're comfortable, they're protected, we got their back. That's what it's all about.
My niece has tried to teach me how to twerk and I can't, so. In today's industry, in the insurance industry, customers' challenges, what they challenge the most is they want things very quickly, they want things cheap, and they figure they can get it all online just like Amazon. They don't understand that there's information we need from them, and that because my neighbor is paying $500 for his car, why can't I pay $500?
People cringe when they talk about our insurance is because I call it kind of a grudge buy. They get a policy, but they don't see any value to it, which is totally wrong. It's when you start to work with people who have had losses and they suddenly understand the value that policy brings and how it puts them back, how they would have potentially suffered massive financial disaster had it not been for the fact that they had an insurance policy in force.
We need to make sure we're doing what they want. And the customers nowadays want everything quickly. And without the technology that he knows and he's bringing to the table for this customer experience, it's not going to happen.
The clients want choice, right? If they want to send a fax, they want to go on Skype, they want to use their chatbot, we got to make sure they have choice how they interact, just as Una said.
The solutions that we come up with, or the solutions the insurance companies want to implement, don't work for the customers, then they don't work for anybody involved with it.
I can sell you something cheap, but is it going to respond properly? I don't know. If I jump ahead and don't do my work properly, it's not going to help you. So at Excalibur, we make sure we ask those questions. We make sure our team is trained to explain those in English. Nobody wants any googly gop stuff they don't understand.
The reward with the industry and the career I'm in insurance is helping people, being with people, and being able to know that I have done something that has made a change in somebody's life.
We live in a community, and if our community is doing well, we're doing well as a business. And we want to give back and help people. That's who we are. And at the end of the day, do you remember how many times you went to work and put in so many hours? Do you remember at the end of your life how you helped a school, helped a charity, how you helped build an arena? Those are things that at the end of the day you're going to look back when you reflect on your life that meant something and means more. We feel that we can make a difference, not just on their insurance and protection, but in all areas of their life.